Hey guys, it's Kevin. Today we're going to replace those three cables goes into a scanner ET8550. Last time your printer doesn't turn on because your cable to the control panel is bad. There are three cables goes into the scanner, and the wider one is the one that goes to control panel. So if that one is not connecting, and you cannot turn the printer. And then is this smaller one, and this one with a larger teeth. This one is the motor cable that controls the motor for the scanner. And the last one is for the data from the scanner when you scan stuff. So this video is going to show you how to replace all three of those. If you need those cables, you can go to BCH Technologies.com and go just search for ET8550, and you can get a single cable to replace, or we have a 3-pack, which is all three, which is more economical. At first, we go around and remove all the screws. Simply, if you see a screw, remove it. And don't forget there's a screw hidden behind the FFC cables. Now on the left side, we can gently lift off the printer, and now we work on those two tabs. Now let me show you how that works. And you just poke in here and see the white plate get the lift up. And so if you use your force to lift up the black part, and the tab will be released, and you can lift up the black part. If you leave it too quickly, you may have this little part fly off, and just make sure you find it. If you can't, go find it at bchtechnologies.com. Let's say you get a scanner lamp that goes on this rail. The lamp connects to the data cable. So we'll have our new cable ready. And you can pull it off the old cable. However, the correct way is there's a brown cover. You lift up that the brown cover and remove the cable. To insert the cable, you lift up the brown cover and say lift it up, and then you insert cable. You have to feel that the cable got inserted, that goes in a lot further down than the brown cover, and then you push down the brown cover to secure it. Okay, after master how you insert cable, you can take the old cable and sort of like folding the new cable, just like the old cable. There's only a single fold. It really doesn't matter if you get it wrong. And then we cut a piece of double-sided tape. All your folding is to glue this piece of tape on that black tab, on the back of that black tab. Okay, and you want it to be secure like this. So it doesn't matter if you fold ugly, fold smooth, as long as you glue that one on here, you should be fine. Then we use a flathead screwdriver, kind of let it be stretching the cables. So we put the belt on that little thing that usually fall off when you open up the printer. And then we put the belt, make sure the lamp is parked all the way on your right. And now we can just put a more double-sided tape and wire the cable. Now the control panel, same thing, lift up the brown tab and insert it. Just follow the old cable, and it's easier if you put the screws back for this. To secure the LCD panel on the scanner, the screw is underneath. Okay, for the motor, it's easier if you take the motor off. Just remove those three screws. You'll need something sharp and pointy. For example, I use a dental tool. If you need a dental tool, you can go to bchtechnologies.com and search for the word dental pick. You're going to see 2 points to push in. Let me show you, get a better angle. And you see the 2 tabs? Yeah, you push those in. After you push it in, you sort of like use a dental tool to scoop underneath and lift it up. And the rest of it just insert the cable and then reinstall the motors. Okay, we just covered 3 cables. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Visit us at bchtechnologies.com or locally at Greensboro, North Carolina. Cheers.